Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Wix site mobile friendly. Let's begin. First, log into your Wix account. Once you're in, go to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all your sites. From your list of websites, click on Select and Edit Site for the site you want to update. Once the Wix Editor opens, look at the top of the screen. Click on the mobile icon. This switches you to mobile view. Now, click on any text element that looks too big or small on mobile. Use the text settings to adjust the font size so it's easier to read. Next, select any images that don't fit well or look awkward. Drag the corners to resize them, or reposition them to better suit the smaller screen. Make sure nothing is getting cut off or overlapping. Once everything looks good, click Publish at the top right to save your changes and update your live site. If you run into any issues to make Wix website mobile responsive, contact us at info@Mindzita. Call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.